overripe banana, walang problema. Let's turn it into banana donut.
Yay!
Do you like banana donut?
Yay!
Okay, Mommy, let's start.
Mushy, mushy. He was too mushy, flying away. Ay,
Mommy.
talaga.
Mommy, why does Moshi come?
Tatay na ako.
Smell the
We have overripe banana, pinch of salt, sugar, and flour. We'll use bread flour, but you can also use normal flour.
Yes.
Of course, we also need oil.
We also need oils.
Pour some oil in the pan. We need more because we're going to deep fry the donut. First, we peel our bananas.
He hopped and hopped and oops. Mommy, looky big. What?
Next, we mash the bananas. Yin, can you do it?
Ow.
Just mash it like you. Push. Push.
Mash, 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 mash.
What you need is like this.
I can't do it because the banana is so cold. Now we're done.
You have to mash it well. Not like that, Yin, the plate will break. He doesn't like metal sounds, okay?
What are you doing there?
I think it's done now. We need to add bread flour.
Can I do it?
No,
Mommy, I wanna
we have to adjust the flour based on the amount of the bananas. I don't know if this is a donut or fried banana bread. Anyway, my mommy called this MARUYA.
Maruya.
It's my Lola's recipe. Mix.
Okay. But we have so many.
Do you mind mixing slowly? I don't want to wipe.
Maruya, this Maruya is so sticky. I'm not good at mixing.
I will add 3 tablespoons of sugar.
Ooh, sugar.
You mix well. And I will add a half teaspoon of salt. Mix.
It smells like Maruya.
We have to fry.
And you'll be a big Maruya.
Maluya. Still too soft. We need to add some more flour. Keep mixing it.
What?
My mommy said that my Lola cooked this and sell it to the neighborhood for 1 peso each.
Yes. Yes.
When the texture of the mixture is already like this, it's ready to fry. Now the oil is hot and I have my scoop, so I will dip it in the oil before I get the mixture.
Wah! Sibuyas! Wah! Sugoi! Let's do it with my spoon.
You just wanna eat again, Yum Yum.
Oh.
And then flip. Flip. You have to fry it until it is golden brown.
Everyone, subscribe to our channel. Hello!
Why are you wearing your eyeglass? You're not going to watch, right?
I am going to.
The Maruya are swimming. Oh, it's so fun. Okay, go. Put in. Drop it. Small.
Mommy, look.
I'm frying the last batch of the Maruya. It's burning. The Maruya. We're done, guys. Now just have to make this cool down and make the oil drop. Then I'm done cooking. Here is our Maruya. Let's eat.
My Maruya is so bony.
I
Wow.
know, right?
I know, right? My Maruya is so bony.
No, I already cooked, so it's okay.
Snack time. Mwah. Snack time, Daddy.
Kailan mo tayo suplito ng ako kahapon?
Itadakimasu. Yum!
Hindi, ayaw mo soup? Wala nang soup.
If you eat small,
Hindi.
you will not be hurt.
Yummy! Actually, this is our favorite snack. Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah, I want to that.
Chicken. It's kimchi.
Let's try. Good.
Thank you. See you next time.